Hello guys, मैं हूं आपका अपना डिजिटल मार्केटर डिजिटल निब्यूला and I welcome you all to this video. As you saw on the thumbnail, we are going to talk about a very important topic, and the topic is top digital marketing blogs to follow, the best digital marketing blogs to follow in 2021. And make note of this, I've been personally following these blogs since a very long time, and I've personally seen a huge impact, a huge growth in terms of my content creation skills, in terms of content research process, as I create content on 7 different social media platforms, and now I don't face any issues in terms of content research or getting content ideas. Now my mindset is framed in such a way because I've been reading blogs, reading articles related to digital marketing. So this has grown my knowledge base, my content creation skills, and obviously had an impact on my mindset. So do watch this video till the end, because I'm going to have a gift for you, a surprise for you at the end of this video. So do not miss out on that, and this video is going to be full of insights, full of genuine knowledge that I'm going to share with all of you. So do block your calendars for I would say do block your time for the next 10 minutes and give those 10 minutes for your future in the field of digital marketing. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Digital Nibula, आपका अपना digital marketer. As you can see on my screen, I've created a mind map so that it is easy for you all to take note of the blogs that we are going to go through, so that the insights are pretty clear for you. So let's jump into it. The first blog that I would suggest you to follow in 2021 is the HubSpot marketing blog. Now, why do I say that? Because HubSpot is the most trusted source in terms of digital marketing, news, trends, and know-hows that are there. And it is the most important and the most recognized source if you want to get some quantifiable insights out of digital marketing in terms of statistics. HubSpot comes up with blogs and articles related to all kinds of statistics related to digital marketing. Let's say usage statistics of social media in 2020 of different platforms. This is one example that I read recently on HubSpot. So if you want trusted statistics, then HubSpot is the place for you. Also, it has a lot of know-hows, as I said, a lot of trends, digital marketing trends, blogs related to that, blogs related to various platforms, the usage of various platforms, and how can you excel at that. So I'll also take you through the blog itself so that you have a fair idea. As you can see, there are a lot of blogs right here related to marketing trends, advertising. They have on webinars, websites. So you have a lot of things in this particular marketing blog that you can follow, and that will help you grow as a digital marketer. Now, as you already saw, the second blog is Social Samosa. Now, not a lot of people don't know about this blog, but this is a very important blog site, especially people who are interested in advertisements, in advertisement industry, because this has a lot of digital marketing case studies that related to advertisements, new ads that have been put out by various brands, and what has been the impact of that, brand strategies, the brand development activities that a lot of reputed brands have taken up, new startups, the strategies taken by them, those are posted there, and obviously digital marketing news, trends, tips and tricks are also posted here. So taking you through the blog, you will yourself see the whole structure of it and you can understand it better. Here you have Swiggy IPL campaigns, the bread ad of Magic Pin. This is the recent one that has been trending. So you see all of it here, and insights related to it, and various point of views. There are various summaries of interviews as well, webinars as well, podcasts as well that are posted here. So this will definitely help you grow in the field of digital marketing. It's a must follow blog for you guys. Now, the third blog is Social Media Today. A lot of you must be aware of it. People who are interested in social media marketing, this blog posts updates about various social media platforms, what has been the trends, how to grow in the field of social media marketing. That is being posted on this particular blog, and it's a must follow for keeping updates with the up to date with the social media news. And you can actually share that on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Instagram by giving it your own touch. So taking you through the blog itself, you can see updates regarding Google here. You can see various infographics. You can see TikTok news here. So majorly related to the social media platforms, Facebook ads and all of it. And it's a very neat and presentable blog. I would say I feel good when I come to this blog, and I actually feel like going through the articles. So it's a good blog to follow if you have not been following it already. Now the fourth and the most important blog is the SEO searchenginejournal.com. That blogs gives an overview of the digital marketing activities, trends, news, know-hows, tips, tricks, everything. And I would say it's comparable to HubSpot in terms of its trust factor, in terms of its recognizability, in terms of its followership. So taking you over the blog, this was the first blog that I started following, and it had a pretty good impact on my mindset. You can see news related to PPC, trends related to that, and all the recent trends. Especially if you are into PPC, you should be following this blog, because then it keeps posting about various updates that you generally don't get on other sites. So these are my four must follow blogs in the field of digital marketing on a daily basis, and I personally go through them on a daily basis, and that is the reason why I could see such growth in my mindset, as I said. So I would genuinely recommend all of you to follow this. Now when we have discussed about the blogs, now comes the part of surprise, now comes the part of gift. So coming to that, I am sure you must all be excited about that. Coming to that, this is your gift. Not a lot of people know about this particular site, and you must be surprised to see that there is actually an Amazon of blogs for you, because a lot of people have this problem that I will read blogs, I can give it a try, but I don't know how to find the right kind of blogs. The process of finding the right articles is just very boring for me, it's tiresome for me. So I have the perfect solution for you. When I found it, I was really happy to have found it, because I was not aware of anything like this, and it made my life much more easier. This is a blog amalgamation of blog sites known as feedly.com, and this actually personalizes the feed for you, let's say. And this so what basically does is it is connected with all kinds of blog sites that are there, all the major marketing related, tech related, entrepreneurship related, but here we are concerned with marketing. So it will have all kinds of blogs like Moz, Search Engine Journal, Social Media Today, HubSpot. Now let's say if I want to follow HubSpot, I type in HubSpot, it will give me all the suggestions: HubSpot company news, HubSpot blog that is there, HubSpot user blog. So let's say I take the main one and I hit on follow. Okay, I'll have to create a new field. Let's say I create marketing. Done. So now it will add it to my preferences, and every morning I just have to open feedly.com and I will see a HubSpot blog, the recent blog by HubSpot, and I don't have to surf it online. This is especially beneficial for people who want to follow a lot of blog sites but cannot keep up with it. So let's take another example. I want to follow this particular blog. I follow this. I add it to my marketing feed that I created, and it's added here. So it's a very useful software for me in my opinion, and do give this all a try. I hope you like the surprise, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, because your one subscribe will actually mean a lot to me, and it will actually motivate me to come up with more such content in the future, and your support is actually very valuable for me. So if you want to have more videos like this wherein I talk about specific topics related to digital marketing, do let me know in the comment section if you have any particular topics. And I made many more videos for digital marketers as well. It must have come in the suggested links here. You can go through that, you can take some insights through those videos as well. I have even made a video on personal branding for digital marketers, and I suggest you go through that as well, because both these are kind of interconnected, because the blogs you will follow, you will actually, if you actually put out your point of view related to various insights that you get from these blogs on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Quora, you will actually grow your audience. So do go through that video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon if you want to be aware about the new videos that are coming out. I give out weekly updates on in terms of videos, shorts, live videos, podcast sessions. So if you want to stay updated, do hit the bell icon. And that's it from my side. Digital Nibula signing off. Take care, stay safe.